Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, and this lovely leaping kitty pose was so fun to do. So I'm just starting out with mapping out the shapes here, doing a voiceover now. And I got it going about 3 times the speed. So I'm just really paying attention to angles and shapes and getting these limbs in here so Kitty looks like in mid-flight. Just trying to keep that rhythm and flow throughout the drawing. You know, make nice easy lines that flow together well. Got to get those ears in the right place. They came down a little bit too far. Eraser's always handy for fixing a few things, but I try not to use it too much. But, I mean, every artist is different, so do what works for you. Take what you learn from me and make it your own. Get some lines in there to get the eyes in the right place. I got a few different ways to place the eyes, and you know, I think it comes back to this kind of thing being my favorite. I sort of make little pockets there to put the eyes in, and then that helps me place the nose, and then of course the mouth too. And shape those eyes nicely. I slow down quite a bit and tighten up a little when I get the eyes in, but try not to get too tight. Just really darkening up some of the lines that I like now and allowing the other extra lines to fade away into background tone. And still really trying to keep nice flowing lines that lead the eye throughout the drawing. And let's bring this kitty to life with some eyeballs. Try to keep the eye as the focal point, but there's lots of other important focal points in this drawing too. Just more than anything, I want to capture that sense of the cat leaping through the air. Pouncing on something. One of those really big-eyed, soft-eyed kitties. And some tabby stripes. Tabby stripes can really help us to shape the roundness of the cat's body. And now I'm going about 8 times the speed. So we'll finish this drawing up. I love to hear from you. Please tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing. Drop me a comment. Tell me your cat's name or where in the world you live. Tell me about yourself. I love to hear from you. How many cats do you have? Lots of last touches here. You try to capture a charming expression on each cat's face. And I erase out some of the rear limbs too a little to help them push them into the distance. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you next time.